Hello everyone and welcome to English Uplifting. Today, we will practice on Toefl listening. We will have 2 conversations and 2 lectures. Listen carefully and try to answer. You will find the correct answer in the description. So let's jump in. Conversation 1, a student and professor.
Good morning, Lisa. You look concerned. Is everything okay?
Good morning, Professor Daniels. I wanted to ask about the upcoming midterm exam. I'm a bit nervous about the essay questions.
That's understandable. Have you reviewed the study guide I provided?
Yes, I have, but I'm struggling with structuring my answers. I don't know how detailed they should be.
A strong essay answer should have a clear thesis, supporting evidence, and a conclusion. Try to be concise but provide enough examples to support your argument.
So, for the question about industrialization, should I just explain the causes, or do I need to discuss the effects too?
You should discuss both. The key is to show how one leads to the other. Cause and effect relationships are important in history essays.
Got it. I'll practice writing some responses before the test.
That's a great strategy. And if you need more feedback, feel free to bring me a draft.
Thank you so much, Professor.
Now try to answer the questions. Conversation 2, 2 students discussing a group project.
Hey, Mark. Have you started working on the research for our psychology project?
Hey, Emily. I've done a little bit, but I'm still gathering sources. What about you?
I found some great journal articles on cognitive biases. I think we should include a section on how they affect decision-making.
That's a great idea. I was looking at case studies related to confirmation bias. Maybe we can combine our research.
Yes, that would work well. I think we should also include some real-world examples to make it more engaging.
Good point. Maybe we can analyze how cognitive biases influence social media behavior.
That's perfect. Let's divide the work. You can focus on confirmation bias, and I'll research other types of biases.
Sounds good. I'll also work on the introduction. When do you want to meet again?
How about Friday afternoon?
Friday works for me.
Now try to answer the questions. Now listen to this lecture. Lecture 1, Biology, the role of enzymes in digestion.
Enzymes are essential for digestion because they break down food into smaller molecules that the body can absorb. Each enzyme has a specific function. For example, amylase, found in saliva, begins the breakdown of carbohydrates. In the stomach, pepsin helps digest proteins. Then, in the small intestine, lipase breaks down fats into fatty acids and glycerol. Temperature and pH greatly influence enzyme activity. Most digestive enzymes work best at body temperature and a specific pH. For instance, pepsin functions best in the acidic environment of the stomach, while amylase works in the neutral pH of the mouth. Enzymes speed up chemical reactions, making digestion efficient. Without them, the body wouldn't be able to process food quickly enough to sustain life.
Now try to answer the questions. Now listen to Lecture 2, History, the Great Depression.
The Great Depression, which lasted from 1929 to the late 1930s, was one of the most severe economic crises in history. It began with the stock market crash in October 1929, leading to widespread panic and economic collapse. Banks failed, businesses closed, and unemployment skyrocketed. Several factors contributed to the Great Depression, including overproduction in industries, poor banking policies, and a decline in consumer confidence. The crisis was made worse by the Dust Bowl, a severe drought that devastated American agriculture. In response, President Franklin D. Roosevelt introduced the New Deal, a series of programs designed to provide relief, recovery, and reform. These programs helped stabilize the economy and create jobs, though full recovery didn't come until World War II.
Now try to answer the questions. That's all for today. We will have more Toefl test practice, so don't forget to subscribe and follow to don't miss it. See you